If you run a Shopify store, you're probably spending money on ads to acquire every new customer. And while ads can work, they're getting more expensive, more competitive, and harder to scale profitably. At the same time, you already have something powerful that most stores underutilize: existing customers who are happy with your product and are willing to recommend it. The problem is, without the right system in place, referrals and affiliates can turn into a mess. Manual tracking, missed payouts, broken links, and zero visibility into what's actually driving sales. That's exactly why tools like Social Snowball exist. What's up guys, my name is Kyle. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Social Snowball on Shopify to run customer referral programs and affiliate payouts automatically, without spreadsheets, manual payments, or guesswork. And the best part, you can get started right now with an exclusive 14-day free trial. Just use the link in the description below to sign up to Social Snowball and start turning your happy customers into affiliates who promote your store for you. It really is that simple. Referrals and affiliates are different from paid ads in one key way: they're performance-based. You only pay when a sale actually happens. Customer referrals help turn existing buyers into promoters. Affiliates allow creators, influencers, and partners to drive traffic without upfront and send. But to make this work long-term, you need accurate tracking, automatic attribution, reliable payouts, and clear visibility into performance. Social Snowball is designed specifically to handle all of that without adding operational complexity. Once installed, Social Snowball connects directly to your Shopify store and starts pulling in order and customer data. From here, everything is handled inside the Social Snowball dashboard. After installation, the first thing Social Snowball will do is prompt you to confirm your Shopify connection. This allows Social Snowball to track completed orders, attribute referrals correctly, and trigger commissions automatically. Once connected, you don't need to manually sync data. Everything updates in the background. Next, you'll choose how you want referrals and affiliates to work. Social Snowball supports customer referrals, which is post-purchase sharing, affiliate programs for creators and partners, flat rate commissions, and percentage-based commissions. For customer referrals, most stores start simple: a percentage or fixed reward per successful referral. For affiliates, you can create separate commission rules depending on partner type. The key here is clarity. Simple structures perform better and are easier to manage. Now let's set up customer referrals. Social Snowball automatically generates referral links for customers after they place an order. These links can be shared via email, social media, or direct messaging. You can customize referral reward amount, referral messaging, and when customers receive access to their referral link. Because this happens post-purchase, you're targeting customers when they're most likely to recommend your product. Next, let's look at affiliate setup. Inside Social Snowball, you can approve or invite affiliates, assign commission rates, and generate unique tracking links. Affiliates get their own dashboard where they can see clicks and conversions, track earnings, and manage payout details. This transparency reduces back and forth and keeps affiliates motivated to promote your store. One of the biggest advantages of Social Snowball is attribution clarity. Every referral and affiliate sale is tracked automatically. You can see who referred the customer, which link was used, order value, and commission owed. This removes ambiguity and removes disputes about who gets paid for what. If you're running ads alongside referrals, this visibility becomes even more important. Now let's talk about payouts, the part that usually causes the most headaches. Social Snowball automates payouts by calculating commissions accurately, holding payouts until orders are confirmed, and supporting multiple payout methods. This helps protect you from paying commissions on refunded or fraudulent orders. You can also control payout schedules so payments go out consistently without manual work. Here's an important note about fraud and abuse. Any referrals or affiliate program can be abused if it isn't configured properly. Most issues don't come from bad actors trying to break the system, but from unclear rules or missing safeguards. A few best practices practices help prevent problems before they start. First, block self-referrals. This prevents customers or affiliates from earning commissions on their own purchases. Without this rule, people can game the system by repeatedly referring themselves, which quickly inflates costs without generating real growth. Secondly, hold commissions until refund windows pass. Commissions should only be paid on completed, non-refunded orders. Holding payouts for a set period protects you from paying out on returns, chargebacks, or fraudulent transactions. This is especially important if you sell high-ticket or physical products. Third, review top referrers periodically. High-performing affiliates aren't a problem by default, but it's smart to spot check them. Look for unusual patterns like extremely high conversion rates, repeated use of the same email domain, or traffic that doesn't match your normal customer behavior. Social Snowball includes built-in safeguards to help with all of this, but no system should be treated as completely hands-off. A quick monthly review is usually enough to keep your referral and affiliate program healthy and sustainable. To get the most value from Social Snowball, start with a small number of trusted affiliates. This keeps quality high, makes performance easier to monitor, and helps you refine your program before scaling. Keep commission structures simple. Clear, easy to understand payouts, reduce confusion, and make affiliates more likely to promote consistently. Promote referrals in post-purchase emails. Customers are most likely to share right after a successful purchase, when excitement and trust are highest. Review performance monthly and not daily. Referrals and affiliate data needs time to normalize, and overchecking leads to reactive decisions instead of smart optimization. Think of referrals and affiliates as a growth channel, not a one-time campaign. Long-term consistency beats short bursts, and steady promotion compounds results over time. Let's say you launch a new product and enable customer referrals immediately. A customer shares their referral link after a purchase, and within a week, you see 3 additional orders from their network. Social Snowball tracks the sales, attributes the commission correctly, and queues payouts automatically. Instead of spending more on ads, you've turned one customer into multiple sales with minimal overhead. Setting up customer referrals and affiliate payouts with Social Snowball is one of the easiest ways to build sustainable growth into your Shopify store. By automating tracking, attribution, and payouts, you remove friction for both customer and affiliates, while keeping your operation clean and predictable. If you want to get started with Social Snowball, you'll find a link in the description below that gives you access to a 14-day free trial. Just so you know, this is an affiliate link, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using those links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing free step-by-step tutorials just like this. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.